Welcome to Galactify OKR setting and tracking. In this video, you will learn how to create objectives and key results with your team. First, let's create an OKR process block that you will be working in. This block will also serve you as a dashboard once you start the OKR cycle. Just give it a start date and deadline for your OKR cycle. Next, let's create the first objective for your OKR cycle by hitting the plus button and give it a name. Once the goal is defined, you can assign one or multiple teams that will be working on the objective. You can also put the relevant hashtags and descriptions into your objective. After completing your objective, you can now set up your first key result. At key result level, you can also view the information of the related objective. Already in the planning stage, you can ask your team for comments and suggestions. Talking about team, here you can invite your colleagues into the workspace to collaborate with you. That's it. You just successfully set up your OKRs in just 2 minutes.